Hey yo, this is Dash, and today I'm going to be bringing you along as I install the Holosun EPS carry. This is the MRS, so multi-reticle, and I'm doing it in green on my Canik Prime Radian.
Hey yo, this is Dash. Welcome to the channel.
I'm Dash. Off the
He's
grill.
a Canik expert.
I'm a Canik fanatic.
I'm not perfect, I'm not a sniper. 1, 2, 5.
Let's get to work.
All right, so welcome back. Welcome back if you haven't been here before. So I am in the midst of getting and taking home my Canik Prime Radian. I live in the state of Maryland, and in the state of Maryland, I cannot or could not take my gun home right away. With that being said, I had to wait. So with that wait, one of the things that I had to do was wait before I could install a optic on it. So I'm gonna take the enclosed toolkit, I opened it up, and there is a, what is this? This is a T10. Oops. We're going to remove the plate on the top of the Radian. So I'm gonna get you down so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna remove, now, mind you, YouTube police, I am in a safe environment, the range at which I work at, and I have a unloaded firearm. So I am going to take, and I'm not doing any enhancements. I am simply doing a modification for use. All right, so I'm gonna take and remove the optic plate. Just gonna unscrew that, and actually, I'm going to take the slide off of the grip. Now I could just use a regular, T10, but it's so much cooler to use the included tools from Canik. I'm gonna remove the screw, and there's a washer. And this plate, I would say, seems like it's coming off easily, but in the past, there's just been a little bit of oil underneath, like machining oil, and sometimes what I'll have to do is get something in here to pry this up and off, but you see, I was able to just get it up and off with the tool. Come on. But sometimes these can be like vacuum sealed, it feels like, onto the slide. So again, there's that oil on the slide, you can see, and on the plate, where sometimes it makes it a little difficult to get off. I'm gonna get the paper towel. I'm gonna wipe the assembly, oil, lube, whatever off. Clean that up. Now we're gonna open up, this is the Holosun EPS carry, and I'm trying green. I've never had a green optic before, so I'm gonna try green. And this is a multi-reticle. So this one will do the circle, the 2 MOA circle, the 32 MOA, or excuse me, 2 MOA dot, 32 MOA circle, and then both, or circle only, dot and circle.
You sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
So you open this up, your cleaning cloth, instructions. There's my receipt for purchase. I can get this out of here. So I'm gonna put this all off to the side. This optic will mount directly to the Prime Radian. It mounts direct. So let's take this sticker off, and I probably need to put a battery in here, but we do not need the mounting plate. I'm just gonna stick this on here So there is the plate, and there's that. But if you needed to raise it up or what have you, you can, but you do not need to use the plate for the prime or the prime Radian. It is a direct mount, directly mounted onto the pistol. All right. So now at this point, I'm gonna get some screws. Just gonna find the screws, and actually I have so we use the wide ones. Just a matter of figuring out which ones. If you're installing the EPS carry on your prime Radian, use the smallest screw with the finer threads, as opposed to, I thought it was the other one. It's gonna be just longer. I think it's gonna be the long boys here. Because these were long. So stick this back down in here, the extra screws. There's some like wide thread flat top, but this is short. There's like a fine thread which is short.
I got you, homie.
And then there's a fine thread longer screw. I'm using the fine thread longer screw. You can trial and error. If this works, it'll be good. I'm also going to use the included tool from Holosun to install these. In case you didn't know, the optics come pre-installed with a little bit of Loctite on them. You can add additional Loctite or rock set or whatever you are going to use, but I'm just going to use what's on here. Use the tool. Is that the right screw?
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
No, that is not the right screw. All right, I had the wrong screw. It is not the long boys.
They ask
Just
you
a
how
shorter
you're
one.
doing,
Just
you have to
let's
say that
drop
you're
those
fine.
back
They're
down
not
to the
really
box.
fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And it is the finer thread short screws. Oh, hold on. You guys didn't hear the torque wrench click. All right, so we have the optic on. It is nice and sturdy. I'm going to turn it on. Oh yeah. So this is my first green dot. Quick and easy installation in under 10 minutes. It probably would have taken less time if I used the right screw from jump.
You done messed up, Aaron.
Well, you guys know, if you're installing the EPS carry on your prime Radian, use the smallest screw with the finer threads, as opposed to, I thought it was the other one. Anyway, now, nothing to it but to go out to the range and get this thing sighted in. So I'm gonna put the Holosun tool in my pocket, and I'm gonna clean up my mess, and I'll see you guys out on the range in a moment. All right, welcome to the range. Again, I am in a safe environment where I work inside of an indoor firearms range, and I am going to be loading up Get over here. My pistol. Again, for those of you who may not know, this is the Canik Prime Radian. I'm gonna load 10 rounds and we're gonna fire and see what and or where I'm hitting on the paper here. All right, ears on, and we're going to fire my first round. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, aim, and see where I hit. Okay, so confirmed, I'm a little to the left, so I'm gonna take and adjust. The elevation seems to be fine, so let's move this to the right. It looks like it needs to go about an inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the EPS, or most Holosuns, each click is about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm gonna try again. All right. And I'm gonna take 3 shots to see. All right, so I think that's pretty good. I could chase my tail and go back 1/4 of an inch and go down 1/4 of an inch. So I'm gonna go to the target in the top right. Ooh, that was me, I pulled that one.
The boy has no skills.
And I'm out. So let's just shoot around.
Stop it. Get some help. Perfect.
All right, not bad. Like I said, installing the EPS carry, getting it sighted in, it really wasn't much to getting it sighted in. And like I said, I could try to chase my tail, but for standing, I'm not using any sort of rest. I'm not leaning against the wall here or anything like that. I think this is pretty spot on. If I were to take a a post-it, I could hit the post-it from where my optic is sighted in. So thank you guys so very much. This has been another Prime Radian video. I will start doing some comparison between the Prime Radian and some other things in the future videos, so just stay tuned. I'll see you next time.